With the rising popularity of weight loss drugs like Wegovy and Ozempic, we are learning that there's a counterfeit market out there that's also emerged, and it could be putting people's lives in danger. As Tom Hanson shows us, America's Customs and Border Protection is testing knockoff drugs being sent into this country, and they're making some alarming discoveries.
At this massive mail facility in New York City's JFK Airport, Customs and Border Protection agents are holding a first line of defense, digging through box after box.
So all of those green dots,
yes,
you guys think that those are pills?
Yeah.
As a flood of dangerous counterfeit prescription meds, including popular weight loss drugs, pour into the United States.
Fake weight loss drugs? Did that surprise you the first time that you saw it?
People are really taking a risk by ordering these products online and not knowing really the supplier that's sending it to them.
Novo Nordisk alone brought in $21 billion in revenue last year from drugs like Ozempic, Wegovy, and Rybelsus. And just like every other trend, black market knockoffs and smuggled products have been quick to follow. CBP showed us a small sample of what they've seized over 2 days.
They're coming in from all over the world. Over here, this says it was manufactured in Bangladesh. And then this box of Wegovy, actually came packaged as a children's Mickey Mouse puzzle.
These products look like the real deal, but CBP Port Director Salvatore Ingrassia says they can be anything but.
We have tested these pharmaceutical products and found things like antifreeze, too much of the active ingredient, too little of the active ingredient, and other fillers that in some cases are dangerous.
Novo Nordisk reports it found insulin in a counterfeit pen, landing the person who used it in the hospital. The FDA's Office of Investigations is taking the threat seriously. Last May, they arrested a Long Island woman for selling suspected fake Ozempic on social media. One victim reported lesions and infections. The suspect pled not guilty. A month later, Cincinnati Border Protection agents seized nearly $900,000 of suspected counterfeit pens, prompting the FDA to issue warnings to multiple websites to stop selling the drugs or face legal action.
If you're buying a drug that is legitimately marketed for thousands of dollars for $65, you should be asking some questions.
Former FDA investigator Ricky Chase has made a career out of asking questions to track fake products. Using a real Wegovy pen, she shows us what you should look for.
You're always going to be looking for a code like this. This is how the pharmacy and the drug company tracks this product through the legitimate drug supply chains. You want to look at the label here. If you rub your hand over the labeling and the ink smears, that is a good indication that it is not a legitimate product.
Chase says don't risk your health while trying to get healthy. The ultimate line of defense is your own judgment. For CBS Mornings, I'm Tom Hanson.